I have to tell you all about my day.
I kicked the ball at recess. It was fun. I played with friends. It was fantastic. I got an idea. Let's go get the ball.
Okay.
No, not me. Oops. That was a bad idea.